Kami kai balai teaching vacancies and others. For a small group of institution Assam, dan kam part-time physics teacher, pre-primary teacher. Kami kai po Notalang College, kami kai po kasi UP School Krang. Tekanai ka, idaki kam balai kawai part-time teacher, physics teacher, higher secondary school, MSc Physics, pre-primary teacher, kat 12 pass with entity degree, at salary in your hajar, English, preferred BEd salary 13,500. The other post assistant teacher po Sankasi UP School, SSA Grand and 8 Grang. Tarik kaduk kadai live po tarik bat samet yaki, kot kisla bran kam, ha portray. The qualification is BA, BSc, 2 years diploma, DLED, 1 year bachelor in education or BA, BSc, and 1 year special education of UP MTED certificate. Hat.com ya ka? Hat pass MTED UP. Ini petsa kini kami kai balai hapo. Ajmal Group of Institution in Assam run by Ajmal Foundation Hojai dan kam ka post principal, vice principal, PGD. Postgraduate teacher English, Maths, nangta student counselor, civil engineer. Katari kaduk penpoy yaki kot kisla penpoy yak application kanai live po tarik April acara pusan. Sana ka wepat ka kam by kai college po. Kia po Notalang College kanai ka ki government sanction post ki like pun teli. Kai ka post English unreserved post, kasi unreserved post, nangta commerce sandali ki post kawai unreserved kawai kasi jentia Garo Southerly. UGC norms. Hari kaduk lagi pau tarik mai basta acara pesan.